How to add debit card to Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add debit card to Cash App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Cash App. After you open up your Cash App, simply log in into your account and then head over to your account section. On your account section, scroll down a bit until you find Account and Settings. After you find that, tap on Linked Banks. After you do that, you can see the accounts and an option that says Link Debit Card. Simply tap on it. After you tap on it, you can now add your debit card number here. Simply type in the debit card number and then tap on Add Card. After you do that, you'll then need to add your expiration date, your CVV, and your postcode. And it should start loading. Then your debit card will get added. And that's how simple it is. That's how you add a debit card to your Cash App. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and